Hello everyone, Sandile here. The car is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Now that I'm done with my exams and I've got, I'd say, ample time on my hands, I'm going to be getting back on the gardening and doing more of the gardening, maintaining the garden. Even though it's winter time, there isn't much in terms of planting that we can plant, but there's still stuff that we can plant and that we can grow, in the garden. As you can see, our winter is not as in the northern hemisphere. We still get full sunlight. It's quite warm. We only really experience the cold or the chills once the sun goes down, and then you start feeling the cold. But still, even then, where I am at in Durban, it doesn't get as cold as I would say Midlands or Drakensberg or other regions of the country like your Johannesburg and all, So yeah, right now we are about to be doing a lot today to make up for the time we lost during the time when I had to focus on my studies and exams and everything else that I have been doing. Right now here I want to come here and harvest all these oranges on this orange tree because they are all now ready and the monkeys are now coming really hard at them, so I don't want to lose any more of them from the monkeys. So this is where we will be getting all these oranges here. We'll be getting all these oranges, and also you can see the tree is starting to flower again, which is quite interesting for me. So I thought I might as well take all the oranges that have ripened up and then allow the tree to go through whatever process it will go through, and then it can start flowering again and start producing oranges again. So let's see how much oranges we are going to get out of this tree right now. Whew. See. Okay, let's come in under here. Oh yeah. Let's get these guys. One. And two. Okay. I don't think there's another. Yeah. Seems to have cleaned up the whole tree. Okay guys, as you can see, this is how much oranges we have. That's how much oranges we have. Not bad at all, given the fact that also we have been eating these oranges and the monkeys have been eating them. So I wouldn't complain. For me, that's a good harvest. We will enjoy with my kids. My dad's son, number 3, loves oranges, so he is going to enjoy these oranges very much. Now we will have to wait for pomegranates to ripen up properly. They're coming up nicely, but they're still quite green. You can see here they are still quite green. I love to see them very much. Oh, okay. Guess this guy was ready. I love to see them very much yellowish like this. So this will be the first time we're getting to taste one of these pomegranates. You know, not pomegranates, grapefruits. Where my head is? Where is my head? Grapefruit, yes. Is grapefruit, so I won't touch them. They seem to be quite very sensitive. You touch them and then they pluck off the tree. But these ones are still not ready. And this tree didn't produce that much this year, but that's fine. We'll give it time. It will come around. Okay. And we've had a few limes that green ones that had been dropped by the wind. We had like a very strong winds a couple of weeks back, a week back or so, and this lime tree is now flowering like crazy, as you can see. I mean, there's even bees here coming to collect pollen. There's a bee there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'm not here to disturb the bees. I'm just saying that, yeah, if you see, look at these limes, they're starting to turn yellow, so we'll allow them to turn yellow and we'll get them when they're yellow. They're quite very nice. I had some of them. We had a few that had dropped because of a strong wind that we had up or so, and those were nice. Had them with porridge in the morning. They were good, so we'll see. Okay guys, yeah, this video was about the oranges. Now we've got the oranges. Okay, we'll be making more videos as we go about fixing stuff, getting more stuff done, and yeah, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. That this tree here, orange tree here, we've completely finished the oranges. Almost, I'd say, almost finished them. Not completely finished them. On this tree here, there's still a few up there, and up somewhere. Oh, there's still quite a lot actually, but those look like they are just growing now. I don't know, you know. But yeah, this tree also gave us quite a lot of oranges. Very nice oranges. They have a sweet but sour taste, you know, like lemon. This tree is packed with thorns, and getting an orange out of it is not that easy. You get poked, and as you can see, these ones are quite tiny in comparison to these. You see, they're very tiny, but yet still they are quite very nice, you know. So yeah, okay guys, our orange harvest is done. Orange tree is empty, and this one behind me will be empty very soon. I don't think I'll prune it this year. I'll let it be. Maybe I'll prune it another time. Okay, Sandile here. Guy lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. We are back full time until the semester starts again. Then I'll have to focus again on my books. But otherwise, right now, I'll be doing the gardening quite a lot, and you guys will be getting more updates and more videos. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. You know the drill. We're trying to get to 500. We're sitting at 390 something, 398 if I'm not mistaken. So I think we can find about 102 people to get us to 500. Please share wide, spread the word with your friends, family, your circle, and that will be appreciated from the bottom of my heart. Sandile here, I am out. The boys are not here yet. I have to go fetch them from school. They will be telling you that they are out, but they are at school. See you on the next video.